subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has launched its new foldable display phone under Mate series in China called Huawei Mate X2. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Mate X2 features a 6.45-inch Quad HD Plus OLED display on the top with up to 90Hz refresh rate, and when unfolded it has an 8-inch Quad HD Plus OLED display with 90Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Kirin 9000 chipset paired with Mali G78MP24 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM and 256 or 512GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256GB via hybrid nano memory card slot. In terms of camera, the Huawei Mate X2 supports a quad camera setup on the rear in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 50MP main camera with f1.9 aperture plus 16MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture plus 12MP telephoto lens with f2.4 aperture and an 8MP super zoom camera with up to 10x optical zoom support. The rear cameras of the phone are capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. At the front, it has a single 16MP camera under the pill-shaped hole punch at the top left corner with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box with EMUI 11 skin on top. The device comes equipped by 4500 mAh battery that supports 55W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.8 by 74.6 by 14.7mm, and when unfolded it measures at 161.8 by 145.8 by 8.2mm, and it weighs around 295 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Huawei Mate X2 has been priced in China for 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 17,999 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 512GB storage option is priced at 18,999 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for reservation in the country in bright black, ice crystal blue, ice crystal powder, and white glaze color options. And the smartphone is set to go on sale starting from February 25th. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Mate X2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.